Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. I'll be doing a proper form review focused on abs and core exercises. Now this is specifically for the GR8FLEX, Total Gym, or any other sliding bench fitness equipment. We'll go over 5 different exercises, starting with crunches, reverse sit-ups, jackknives, inverted sit-ups, and cable twists to target our obliques. And I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each exercise as needed. Alright, here we have the standard crunch, and the key here is to extend as far as you can backwards to stretch out your core, and then pull and squeeze all the way in to finish the crunch. And you can get creative by extending your legs out as I'm showing here. This helps engage the core throughout the whole exercise. Alright, here we have the reverse crunch, and here you'll need the ab accessory for this exercise. Similar to the standard crunch, same concept. You want to extend fully outward and pull and squeeze all the way in to complete the exercise. Alright, here we have the jackknives, and I'm using the wing bar attachments for this exercise. So you want to start out in a push-up position and pull and squeeze your legs all the way up to the chest area to complete this exercise. You can get creative and throw in some push-ups. This helps engage the core throughout the whole exercise. Alright, here we have the inverted sit-ups, and I'm using the wing bar attachments for this exercise. You want to decline all the way down and pull yourself to the top and squeeze to complete this exercise. Here we have the cable twists. So I have my knees on the glide board and I'm using my core to balance myself. We're using one handle for this exercise, starting on the bottom left and completing at the top right. Notice my head is following my hands throughout this whole exercise. So these are 5 key exercises to focus on your abs and core on a GR8FLEX, Total Gym, or any other sliding bench fitness equipment. And one thing to note, pretty much any exercise on this machine is going to target your core. Whether it's chest, biceps, shoulders, you're always going to find yourself trying to balance yourself on this machine. Hope this content helps. If you have any questions, reach me in the comments section, and feedback is appreciated. Thanks for watching. God bless.